Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Python 3 on a Mac OS. Historically, Mac OS comes pre-installed with Python version 2. However, starting with the Mac version 10.15, which was released in October 2019, this is no longer the case. So Python 2 is no longer supported officially as from January the 1st, 2020. So if you still got Python 2, it's time to install Python version 3. There are multiple ways to install Python 3 on a Mac OS computer. The official Python websites recommends downloading it directly. However, this approach can cause confusion around path variables. Also, it can be difficult to update and sometimes difficult to uninstall. In my opinion, a better approach is to use the popular package manager called Homebrew to install Python version 3. Homebrew can automate updates, and it can also juggle multiple versions of Python on a computer. So we're going to use Homebrew to install Python. So the first thing we need to do is open up the terminal. So here on the dock, I've got my terminal. So I'm just going to double click. If you haven't got your terminal on the dock, you can click on the Launchpad, and in the Launchpad search, just type in T, then select to click on the terminal, just double click, and that will launch the terminal. So the first thing we want to do is to check the version of Python we have installed. And to do that, you type in the word Python, you do a space, 2 dashes, dash, dash, and type in the word version. Once you've typed in version, hit enter on your keyboard, and that will return the version of Python you have. So as you can see, I have got Python version 2.7.10. So I'm going to install Python version 3 using Homebrew. So to install Python version 3 using Homebrew, we type in the command brew space install space Python 3. I've typed in the command here, brew space install space Python 3, and just hit enter, and that will install Python version 3 on your Mac. So I'll give it a few minutes to run through the installation. So Python 3 has been installed successfully. Anytime you want to refer to Python 3, you have to type in Python 3 because you have Python 2 and Python 3 on your machine. So to check that you have Python 3 installed, you type in Python 3 space dash dash version. So Python 3, you do a space and then 2 dashes, dash dash, and type in the word version and press enter, and that will return the current version of 3. So it tells you you have Python 3.9.0. So that's the recent version of Python. So when you refer to Python 3, you always have to type in Python 3. If you type in just Python, it will refer to Python 2. Also, anytime you want to install any Python 3 package, you have to use the command pip3, because if you use pip will refer to Python version 2. Pip is a package manager that enables you to install Python packages, and when you install Python, you also have pip bundled with Python. So in order to distinguish the version of pip you are using to install Python packages, you have to specify that you're using pip3, which will refer to Python 3 packages. If you just use pip, it will refer to Python version 2. To exit your terminal, just click on the terminal and select quit terminal. So that is it for this video. In this video, I showed you how to install Python 3 on a Mac using Homebrew. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.